SA motorists warned traffic fine surge ahead of R2 rollout. Yamaha ZR155, a retro-modern cafe racer. Brad Binder opens up on the 2025 MotoGP struggles. Mercedes-Benz entering a new era of iconic design. This is All Things Motoring News, powered by WeBuyCars. If you're selling, WeBuyCars is buying. Fines SA has warned motorists of a surge in fake traffic fines ahead of the R2 demerit system rollout in December 2025. The best way to prevent falling victim to the scams is by deleting any suspicious notifications. As a motorist, you want to be proactive about your traffic fines and sign up with a verified traffic fines platform that provides a trusted overview of your existing traffic fines, sends you real-time notifications about new fines, and offers secure payment methods. Yamaha has finally launched the much-awaited ZR155, blending retro charm with modern-day performance and technology. The stylish neo-retro cafe racer is based on the proven platform of the MT-15, bringing together heritage design, advanced engineering, and everyday practicality. For enthusiasts who love the old-school look but crave modern efficiency, the Yamaha ZR155 is the perfect fusion of both worlds. Brad Binder is enduring the worst season in MotoGP since his rookie campaign in 2020. The South African didn't sugarcoat the situation. It's not fun when you're racing at the back, and obviously I don't want to be down there. The reality is that the speed we have at the moment and the pace we have a much better understanding, and there's a lot coming from KTM in the pipeline, he said. Mercedes-Benz new iconic design representing an evolution. This vision iconic show car embodies the freedom to think beyond convention, as the creative impulse that opens new perspectives and builds a bridge between the past and the future. Besides an opulent yet timeless presence, a central feature is the reinterpretation of one of the most recognizable elements in automotive history, the iconic Mercedes-Benz radiator grille, first introduced with the all-new electric GLC, expressing both emotion and intelligence, and enables Mercedes-Benz to stand out from a sea of sameness. All Things Motoring News, proudly brought to you by WeBuyCars. WeBuyCars, when you want to sell, they want to buy.